Alright, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it'll be kind of iffy. This is a spool that's been jammed up, so it looks like it feeds fine, but there's actually a knot in there. And it happens right, well, when this kind of thing happens. When you let go and the end of the spool will cross under the strands. So the way you fix it is just grab the loose strands and pull them off the side, and if there's more than one strand coming off the spool, it's tangled. So keep pulling multiples off until you either break the filament. So that knot was really far down there. Hard. Come here. Come on, you piece of shit. There we go. So now we're down to one strand coming off. And then you rewind what's left on the spool, or what's left in your hand, and you'll find the knot in there. And as long as you chase the knot to the end, it won't tangle again. And then never let go of that piece. Just tuck it in the spool hole. Get in there. Okay, so always store your filament like that. That's it.